Hello friends, welcome back to famous YouTube channel. I'm back with new creative videos. We have gone through many videos on Node.js such as Node.js deleting all records from MySQL database, our recent video, Node.js connection to MySQL in different ways, Node.js connection to MongoDB, display records from MySQL using Node.js, and many more videos on Node.js. Today's video is really interesting and innovative. First of all, let us go through the views directory. In that, there are three files. In that, we will go to the users directory. In that, there are three files. First one is, this is front end part, vi add.ejs. This is front end part. Next one is edit. And the last one is index. Now we will go to the roots directory. This is also a front end part but somewhat validation part. In that, JavaScript file, Express, as we know, is a lightweight framework used in Node.js. Different operations like insert, update, delete, update, then display, CRUD operation, all, update, then delete, and first part is add, insert, add. Now we will go through main database file, connection string. This is about the connection string. Now we will go through our main file, that is server file app.js. So this is HTTP errors. We need to catch the errors whatever coming when client is communicating with server. Express is a lightweight component, is a framework which is used in Node.js to access client server communication. Then Express Flash, then session, since we are interacting with the server, then we need session. Then libraries that required to connect to database, MySQL, that is that part. Lib, just now I see in connection string. Roots says in validation part. Then views, remember this, since view engine is there, that's why you are able to view the HTML page. Then session part, then users, redirect routers, it is nothing but the middleware, and port number 3000 for connecting the program. Now we will execute the program. Yes. We need to add the record name Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar, mail ID Sachin Tendulkar @gmail.com. Programmer. Yes, record has been added. I want to add another record. Saurabh Ganguly. Saurabh G @gmail.com. So here I am adding the record, I am displaying the record, I am updating the database. Developer, add, now name Virat Kohli, Virat @.com. Developer. 3 records has been inserted. I will insert last record. Sunil Gavaskar, Sunil G @gmail.com. Programmer. Now 4 record has been inserted. Now I will edit. Yes. Ravi Shastri. Then I am modifying the data of Sunil Gavaskar with Ravi Shastri. Ravi, programmer. Yes, modification has been done. Now I will be deleting the record. Virat Kohli. Are you sure you want to delete? Yes, Virat Kohli record has been deleted. So we are successfully done with create CRUD operation in MySQL using Node.js. I have taken more efforts to create this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I am insisting students to do more project on Node.js. Thank you.